Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are a freelancer, creator or online business owner trying to manage your international payments, you know how complicated things can get. That's where Pioneer steps in. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Pioneer to receive payments from global clients, request payments directly, understand your virtual bank accounts, and track your earnings across different platforms all in one place. By the end, you will know how to use Pioneer confidently and efficiently. So right now I'm at the dashboard of my Pioneer account. So you must have to create an account, and you have to done your account verification by sharing your uh, identity card, or you can say by uploading your bills like electricity bill, so that they can verify your identity and verify your account. Okay, so after the verification of your account, you can do transactions with your account. You can even send payments, and you can also receive and withdraw those payments as well. So I will show you how you can send payments. So if you want to send payments to anyone who has a Pioneer account, so you have to click on this Pioneer. Okay, so the application of Pioneer is also available on the Play Store as well as on the App Store. Okay, so you pay to recipient if they have a Pioneer account, pay to recipient's bank account, dash payment to multiple Pioneers account, dash payment to multiple recipient bank account. So for right now, if let's see if we want to send the payments to pay to recipient's Pioneer account, so let's click this. So in this section you have to write the details of that person, their email, their, so you have to select your balance, like you can add any recipient. Let's see, suppose I have added this recipient. Okay, so you can also select the category of the recipient, like it's a contractor you can say, and then you can also select the balance from where you want to be. Actually I have three virtual wallet or wallet right now. The one is for the USD balance, the second one is euro balance, and the third one is pounds balance. So right now my account is empty. Okay, so you can see that the minimum amount that you can allow to pay is 50, and you can select the bank, like their wallet, at which wallet you want to send the balance. So you can select the balance, and here you enter the amount. And after doing all this setup, you can then just click on this next button, and your amount will be sent over to your client. Okay, so that's how you can make payments to a recipient's Pioneer account. But if you want to make payment to recipient bank account, you have to click on this bank options, and you have to write the bank details of the person to whom you want to send, and then you can review the payment and make payments to that client as well. So that was all about Pioneer, how you can use it to send payments to Pioneer's recipient account and pay to recipient's bank account as well. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, good.